Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore Snapstreak without paying. So from your Snapchat, open it and go to your chats and just
Go to
make sure to
chat.
see your
Click on the
friend's
profile picture of your
username
friend.
as well as its name,
Remember their
username and name. Be
username.
familiar with it. Also your username and your name, your email and phone number. So from another browser available on your phone, you can search for a Snapchat support, and then here you'll be guided on solving the problem by going here, tapping I lost my Snapstreak, and then tap on I lost my, or I'm having a trouble. You can just choose anything, but I'll just choose here I lost my Snapstreak, and just tap this cross mark for you to submit an appeal. So in here they will be giving you this form over here if you can still restore your Snapstreak in the app. So you can try to fill in this form. So you can now request for the restoration of your Snapstreak, and make sure that you will provide all the informations of you and your friend's username and other information. So make sure that after the appeal, once you submitted the ticket or the report, it will take up to 2 hours to receive a response from the team. So input here your username, your email, your mobile number, the device that you're using, and your friend's username, as well as the informations to when did it happen, and adding descriptions over here. Then once everything is done, then tap submit. So hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.